everybody. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, June the 14th, and sorry that I've been a little absent. Things have been, things have died down, but still, a little hectic. But this video is not any type of setup. It's not any type of plan with me. I just want to show you what I've been collecting over the last couple of days as far as Happy Mail. So stay tuned if you're interested. So first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to AllieRyaz Journals, because had it not been for her, I would not have seen this, and I would not have made a purchase. If you haven't been following her, go follow her on IG. Go follow her on YouTube. She's amazing. Just beautiful penmanship, beautiful journals. But anyway, she turned me on to this. If you can tell by the box, and it is the older box, but this is AllieRyaz, otherwise known as Filoplanner or Filoplanner, however you want to pronounce it. But you guys, she had a sale on her crock cover planners, and I just had to jump in. But like I said, shout out to AllieRyaz Journals for enabling me. So came with this nice card that, of course, I'm going to find somewhere to put it in my planner. And then comes with a dust bag, of course. Let me move you guys out a little bit, because I want you to see all of it. I just love when you get these little dust covers, because you can use them to tote your planner or just other things in it that you want to be concealed or that you want to keep safe. So you guys, look at this. Is it not pretty? It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Just first off, beautiful. And then, of course, the stamping of the company that says AllieRyaz. And then the clasp is just, a regular clasp. But I love the adornment that makes it look like a belt buckle. That's so cute. And I have been prepping her for July. So I've got all of my inserts and everything stuffed to the side, but I'm not going to do that on this video. I just want to show you what's inside and what the planner looks like. And you have tons of pockets. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and so 7 times 2 is 14. So that's 14 pockets. 2 secretarial pockets on this side, and an additional 2 on this side. You have a pin loop here, and this is brand new, you guys. I have not touched it. The rings are silver 30mm rings, and it looks like I can change these out. So you see right there. So I will be able to switch these out, but I think the silver just goes very well with the planner itself. Let's see what else is going on. There is no back pocket, which, doesn't really bother me. Those are not pockets. That's just the stitching. So yeah, thank you, Miss AllieRyaz Journals, for enabling me to get such a beautiful cover. And I'm going to try to get into this in July. Usually when I set up a planner for the month and I have a cover, I usually just try to stick to that one cover and just let it be. So that's going to be exciting to get into in July. Okay, these next couple of items came from, I believe, Amazon. So, with all these planners and planner covers that I am accumulating in my stash, you guys, I just thought, well, I'm probably going to keep all of them and I'm not going to resell them. So I was looking on Amazon for a stamping kit. This here is the metal and leather stamp kit. I did get it with the smaller stamps, but you can get them with larger stamps if you choose to do so. And everything just comes nicely packaged. You get the styrofoam. And I really love this because it comes in its own little storage, wooden storage box, which I will probably stain and add it to the shelf with my other stamps. But yeah. So the thing behind this is that you can stamp your metal and leather materials. So for all the planners that I have, I can just go in and stamp my name. I can stamp my monogram. I can just basically stamp anything. So like I said, they are the smaller sized ones. And then of course, when you go to stamp, you'll just turn it down and then just hammer it. And you should be able to stamp into your metal and your leather. So if you're interested in that, that is also on Amazon. It is the Amazon brand. So Amazon Basics. The name of it is, let's see. Let me see if I can get you up really close here so you can get a looky at the box, just in case you're interested. Okay, so that's another thing that I'm anxious to try out. The next couple of things are just rather small things that I'm going to use in July's setup. So I did get some Filofax Dividers. And you guys, I was so excited for these to come, and then I realized they're A5. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them down to personal size. And those are the dividers that are included in this package. I have been looking for, I've been seeing a lot of planners use the Midori tabs, and I didn't really want those. So I purchased these on Amazon. It comes in a little tin box, and they are like bookmarks or page marks, and they're small. You can get them in a larger size if you choose to do so, but let's just show you real quick how this would look if it were on a planner page. So, and they just stick out kind of like that. So they're very minimal. Not only can you use them for your planners, you can use them to like as page dividers for your books if you're reading. And they do come in the gold plated color, but I just chose silver. So I am excited to incorporate those in July. I also was looking for sticky flags, different ones, like page flags. So I got these also off Amazon. They are called the File Index Tabs Sticky Writable. So, and I wanted them, I didn't want them to be like the rectangular ones. So I have the ones that are circles. So when they stick out of your planner, it will be like a semicircle. And I did get them in polka dot stripes and solid colors. This was one package. So I have all of these to play with and to put in my planner to personalize. Another thing that I bought off of Amazon, which is this pen. This is so cool, you guys. If you're carrying like an on-the-go planner, and I know that there are a lot of people that still like to use pencil. So this pen is called the Pentel Vicuña, and you click it here. That's your black ink. If you rotate it again, that's your lead. And if you rotate it one more time, that's the red tip. Okay. And I was wondering, I was playing with this today, and I was like, well, where is the eraser? You guys, the eraser is here. You just screw it off, and then you get a little eraser. So I'm assuming that when you want to use the lead, see that? So that is so cool. I saw this on another individual's video, and I was like, wait a minute, that pen is really cool. So of course I got it off of Amazon. It does come, the barrel comes in different colors, but purple is my favorite color, so I got it in purple. And the brand, once again, is Pentel Vicuña. I guess that's how you pronounce it, Vicuña. And you guys, I think that's all for my mini haul. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I was still here. I'm still planning. Hopefully tomorrow I will have time to sit down and plan a middle of the month flip through for June, and just let you guys see what's going on in my planners. But thank you guys for watching my little short Happy Meal haul, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.